Hi everyone, my name is Gemma and welcome to Series 2 of Microscope Monday. Each Monday I'm going to show you a different object that has been magnified up to 40 times using this clip-on smart device microscope from the Curiosity box. If you'd like to get your own, you can check it out in the link in the description down below. Here is this week's object. If you have a guess, please leave it in the comments down below and come back next week to see if your guess was correct and to discover what the next object will be. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more science videos. Thank you so much for watching and happy guessing. Bye!